The debate over parental rights and student privacy were thrust back into the spotlight at this year's State of the Union address. The president highlighting a Virginia family suing the Appomattox School Board, hoping to require more strict notification policies for parents, especially when it comes to how children identify themselves. WFXR's Jessica Maldonado spoke to the family at the center of the case and LGBTQ law advocates who weigh in on the broader question of parental rights in school systems.
Sage was 14 when school officials in Virginia sought to socially transition her to a new agenda, treating her as a boy and hiding it from her parents. President Trump echoing allegations at the State of the Union made in a lawsuit filed against a Virginia school district. In court documents, the family of then 14-year-old Appomattox County school student Sage Blair says school officials withheld information about gender identity discussions at school and concerns about bullying. The family says those two things contributed to Sage's running away in 2021.
I really, really wish that they had called me. All they had to do was call me. And, I could have saved Sage a world. I mean, her whole life, she's going to struggle. She's a survivor of sex trafficking.
Yeah, she was actually trafficked over state lines.
The majority of the case was dismissed, though family attorney Vernadette Broyles says the Title IX claim will be allowed to stand. She says ultimately the heart of this case is making sure parents are informed before schools honor requests related to pronouns, names, or bathroom use.
Whenever a minor child requests to be treated as something other than his or her sex, parents must be immediately notified before any action is taken.
But LGBTQ law advocates say the broader issues at hand are far more delicate to balance.
I think this is very much on the minds of parents and school districts, and something that school districts in Virginia and across the country are really grappling with, and hopefully taking a serious look at the detriment of a categorical approach or an all-or-nothing approach.
Shannon Minter, a legal director for the National Center for LGBTQ Rights, says courts have long recognized that while parents have primary responsibility, schools also have discretion to address student needs as they arise.
The legal doctrine is the parental rights doctrine, and the legal question is that doctrine so sort of extreme that it prevents teachers from having confidential conversations with students about sensitive issues in their lives.
Minter says many districts are struggling with whether to adopt mandatory disclosure policies or more flexible approaches.
It would be great to see school districts adopting more nuanced policies that both respect the rights of parents and protect vulnerable young people.
He adds that while parents play a primary role in raising children, schools also have a responsibility to support students, particularly in situations where a student may not feel safe at home. In Roanoke, Jessica Maldonado, WFXR News.